Okay, dear children. Very good evening to all of you. Right.
Good
Okay.
evening.
Yes. So, children. Okay. Right, dear children. So, today we are going to start our new lesson, magnets. Right? Okay. So then, no need much of talks, right? Then we'll move with our discussion. Today I was a bit of late, children, because I was experiencing with power failure, right? But I thought that it will be a bit of later, maybe it will take much of the time, right? So that's why I previously told you it would be on at 6:30, but early power came, right? Okay, so children, due to that I thought to start at 6, right? Okay, so children, I hope that there's no problem with that. Also, there was no problem with that, right? So sorry for that delay. Okay, right. So then we are going to start our lesson, unit magnets, right? This is the last unit for your second term. Okay, children, right. So children, here, when it comes to magnets, what do you call as magnet? What is the meaning of magnetize? Right? So children, yes. If somebody says, you can say your mom, Amma, you magnetize me. That much of beautiful you are. Right? පොසොන් පොය දවසේ කැමති කෑමක් හදාගන්න උදේම, right? You can say this one. Amma, you magnetize me. Right? You are beautiful. So then you can say like that. So children, what is called as magnets then? Magnetize means what? Magnetize. Magnetize means attract. Attract. Okay, children. So by that word, children, these objects are called as magnets. Magnets. අම්මේ ඔයා අම්මා වැද්ද ගන්න ඔයා හරිම ලස්සනයි නේද? එහෙනම් මොකද හිතන්නේ අම්මා? අම්මා think that so I feel like cooking very delicious meal for my son. නේද? Likewise. So you can try that much of that strategy, right? To get prepared your meals tomorrow morning, right? Okay. So children, right, we just started our lesson, magnets, right? So magnets means, if we say, that is kandam in Sinhala, Amu Sinhalen kandam, right? So children, magnets mean objects which can attract certain type of objects, right? Things which can attract, right, some objects towards it, called as magnets. Okay, children? Right. So children, magnets means kandam or else chumbaka, right? Okay, right. So children, simply magnetize means attraction. The objects or the things which can attract some objects towards it, called as magnets, right? නේද? කිසියම් වූ ද්‍රව්‍යයක් තමා වෙතට ඇද ගැනීමට හැකි දේවල් වලට කාන්දම් නැත්නම් චුම්බක, magnets. Okay, right. So children, move on with the lesson. Right. Today also we have lot of experiment to be discussed. Okay, right. Turn to the page number. Children, turn to the page number 2. Turn to the page number 2. පිටු අංක 2ට පෙළ ගන්න. Page number 2. Right. Children, this is introduction to magnets. Right? Before that, children, keep muted your microphones and then we'll give you the chance to express your ideas also, right? In a certain time. Okay? නේද ස්පීකර්ස් මියුට් කරලා තියාගන්න නැත්නම් අර පේපර් ක්ලාස් එකේදී පොඩ්ඩක් ඩිස්ටර්බ් වුණා පහුගිය ක්ලාස් එකට, right? To avoid that kind of things, right? Keep muted your microphones and then we'll give you the chance to clarify doubts, right? ඔයාලට ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන වෙලාවට ඒක අහන්න අපි unmute කරලා chance එක දෙනවා, right? Okay, So previous week we have missed one of the question to explain in this week, right? May week එකේදී ගිය week එකේ පොඩි doubt එකක් තිබිච්ච තැනක් තියෙනවා. ඒකත් මම මේ සතියේ නිරවුල් කරලා දෙනවා. Okay, right. So that is about paper class. We are now in theory class, right? So all things okay, we are going to continue with this discussion. Okay, right. An introduction to magnets. Introduction means we are going to discuss about certain amount of magnets and we are going to get an idea. Introduction means හැඳින්වීම. හැඳින්වීම. Yes, right? Introduce. හැඳින්වීම නේද? බලන්නකො ඉතින්. හැඳින්වීම. Okay. Okay. An introduction to magnets, right? අපි චුට්ටක් අඳුර ගන්නයි යන්නේ. We are going to identify what are these magnets. We use magnets in our day-to-day lives, yes. Right? Day-to-day life means එදිනෙදා ජීවිතය. Day-to-day life. Day in, day out. Right? Okay. So you might find them in your toys, on your refrigerator, inside gadgets. Right? Inside gadgets. Refrigerator means your fridge. That's what. Right? Children, have a look whether you identify these things. Right? This is chessboard. Neither. This is chessboard. This is a motor. Right? This is a motor. In this chessboard also have this magnets, children, so that we can place these items on this chessboard in the proper place. Okay, children, මේ ඉත්තෝ ටික හරියට එක තැනක තියාගන්න. මේ ඉත්තන්ගේ මේ chessboard එකේ magnets තියෙනවා. There are magnets so that we can place these pieces on this chessboard properly, right? And then children, this is a motor. Inside the motor also there are some magnets. Children, if I show you here, this is one of the demonstration for motor. Right? This is a motor. Children, two sides of this motor we can see magnets. We can see magnets in two sides. Right? These are magnets. මේ දෙපැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ magnets. මේක motor එකක්. This is a motor. Right? Like this. Okay. And children, this is one of the most common type of box. Right? All of you have that one. Right? When I was grade 2, right? I cried for this one. මම මේ වගේ එකක් ඉල්ලලා අඬලා තියෙනවා. Right? This is one of the pencil box which is having a magnet. Right? There are magnets in this box and then it is contact with this lid, contact with this magnet and then closed. Right? Okay, children. So not only these things. In refrigerator, stickers, handbags, right? If your parents or especially Amma has this type of handbags, right? These handbags having magnets, right? Yes, right? Compass also.
The
Children,
magnet is part of key tags.
Okay. Yes, some key tags also, right? And children, in compass. In compass also.
Madam,
There are some magnets, right? Yes.
excuse me, madam.
Yes, dear.
Madam, but they are in the magnets. That's mean the chessboard. They are also in magnets. Not the mark in the is in like likewise not marked.
Yes, it has not been marked. Yes. Right? Okay. But we get that effect. Right? ඒකේ බලපෑමෙන් අපි මේ වැඩේ කරගන්නවා. Right? Right. Okay. Right, children. We have a task. We have a task. Right? Okay. We have a task. Place the file clip, metal file clip, right? Not plastic file clip, right? You know file clips. I'll show you that. And children, you have to put that metal clip or a metal file clip into this glass of water, right? And children, this file clip should be sink into the bottom. Sink means gilenawa, right? Gilenawa, right? So then metal file clips sink in this glass of water, right? So sink at the bottom, right? And then children, you have to tell me how we can get this file clip out without touching it. Without touching it, how we can get it out without touching by your hand. What we can do, dear children? What we can do?
We can use a magnet and pull it up.
Yes.
We can use
a
tweezers.
magnet. Yes. We can use a magnet and we can take it out. Would you like to observe that? We are
Yeah.
going to do that.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Right.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, like cleaning fish tanks using magnets.
Okay, children. Right. Okay. Children here. All right. Okay. So children, I have placed, right? You know file clips. I hope that you know that, right? These are file clips, right? So I have put it into water or glass of water, and then it has gone at the bottom of the glass, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out, right? Without putting my hand, right? Okay, so children, this is my ring magnet. This is my ring magnet. Okay, so using that ring magnet, I'm going to take it out. Okay, children? Okay. Children, what happened? Whether it come or not? Yes, it has come out. It has come out, right? Children, what is the reason for that? Because children, these file clips get attracted by this magnet, right? Once again, we'll do that. I'll put that into water and then, okay, right? It is coming out. Okay, finally take it out, right? Okay. So children, what happened? Here children, this file clip attracted to the magnet and then it was easier for me to take it out because of this file clip attracted to the magnet. Okay children? Right. Okay. So children, that's how we can take that file clip out. Right. I'll just place this aside. Right. Okay. So children, they are asking what do you do, right? Okay. So children, you can write down using a magnet. The sunken file clip. Sunken means gilicha. Sunken, sink and sunken. Gilunu. Sunken file clip is taken out, right? So then we can write down the reason, right? File clip get attracted by the magnet due to that without using the hand, it was taken out. It was, or it can be කියලා දාමු. It can be taken out. එය අත නොදා එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. It can be taken out.
Madam, that's when the file clip is a attracted object, no?
Yes, file clip is attracted to the magnet, right? Okay. It is attracting towards the magnet. Quickly write down this one.
Done, teacher.
Okay.
Finish, madam.
Not finished, madam.
Okay. නේද නැත්තම් අපිට magnet එක අල්ලන්නත් අපි hand එක use කරන්න ඕනේ. We are using hand for මේ right touch this magnet also නේ. Right, without putting, we'll put like that නේද. ඔන්න එහෙනම් පොඩ්ඩක් කපන්න වෙනවා නේ. කමන්නේ නැහැ. that cute නේ. No problem.
Finish, madam.
Okay.
Finish, madam. Not finished. Finish, teacher.
All right, you can
Madam.
write. I'll preparing your next experiment. Okay.
Finish, madam. Teacher, I done my work.
Finish, madam.
Done, teacher.
Madam.
Finish, madam. Not finished, madam.
Children, if you finish, turn to the page number 10. ඉවර වෙච්ච අය පිටු අංක 10ට පෙරලා ගන්න. Turn to the page number 10. We are going to discuss another experiment. Right? Okay. Have you all finished now?
Yes, teacher.
No, teacher.
Quickly write down that one.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Right. So then turn to the page number 10. එහෙනම් 10 පිටට යන් ඉක්මනට. Right. Page number 10. Right? What do magnets attract? මොනාදනේ මේ attract කරගන්නේ කියලා බලන්න යන්නේ. What do magnets attract? Right? So page number 10. All right, children. Here, children, you need a magnet first. කාන්දමක් මුලින්ම ඕනේ. An iron nail. Iron nail means යකඩ ඇණයක්. යකඩ ඇණයක්. Iron nail. Right? A brass nail. What is a brass nail? I'll show you. Brass nail means පිත්තල ඇණයක්. Brass nail. You know, children, oil lamps are prepared using brass. Right? පිත්තල පහන් හදන්නේ. පිත්තල ඇණයක්. පිත්තල ඇණයක්. A brass nail. Right? And here, a piece of copper wire. Copper wire means tamba copper wire. Right? Here, children, I'll show you these materials. Right? Piece of copper wire. If you don't know these words, right? In Sinhala also, tamba kambi. Right? Copper wires, which are in brown colored wires. I'll show you. An aluminium sheet of oil. Right? Aluminium, you know. A needle means, you know, indicator, needle. For soup, we are using that indicator. Right? Okay. A needle. A piece of plastic. Right? A small piece of wood. A small piece of wood. A small piece of wood. Right? So we can use a pencil also. A piece of paper. Different coins. 2 coin, 5 coin. 5 coin means, children, are a yellow colored coin. Right? Yellow colored coin. Not a silver colored one. Right? Okay, right. So, children, what we are going to do, place all the items on a flat surface like table and bring your magnet close to each item one by one. Right? Observe carefully and record your findings in the table below. Right? We have to keep these whole materials on a flat surface, and then we are going to check whether what will happen when we take near a magnet towards this object. කාන්දමක් ගෙනහල්ලා මේවට ලං කළාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? Right? Okay. So, children, first of all, we are going to do this experiment. Right? Okay.
Finish.
Okay, children. Now we are going to do this experiment. First of all, I'll show you what are the objects that I have used today. Right? Okay, so children, using another camera, I'm going to show these materials first. First of all, you can see 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and then, children, the brass nails. Right? Brass nails, paper, needle, right? Needle, and then copper wire, plastic cup, right? Iron nail, and then aluminium sheet. Here this is aluminium sheet. Okay, children? Right. So then one by one, I'll take near my bar magnet. This is my bar magnet that I have used. We'll check whether these coins attracted or not, right? Or get attract or not. Children, what happened? It attracted with the magnet. 2 rupee coin attracted with the magnet. Okay? Right. So now we will observe with 5 rupee coin. This is yellow colored one. Can we observe any attraction?
No, madam.
No, right? Okay. So children, these are brass nails, yellow colored nails, right? You can see brass nails, which is yellow color, right? Yellow colored nails, right? We'll check whether these are attracting or not, right? Are these attracting?
No, madam.
No, right? Okay, now the papers. Can papers attract with this one?
No, teacher.
No. Now children, my needle I am taking out. Right? Okay. So this needle, right? This is the needle. We will check whether it is attract or not. What happened, children?
Got attracted.
Got attracted. Yes, got attracted. Right. Yes, children, this is copper wire. Copper wire. Right? Copper wire, the brown colored conductive wire. Can it attract?
No.
No. Right? This is plastic. Can it attract?
No, teacher.
No. This is iron nail, children. Iron nail. Can it attract?
Yes.
Yes. Definitely. It attracts. Right? Then children, this is aluminium foil. Check whether it is attract.
No, not madam.
Right? We cannot see any attraction with that object. Right? Okay. So then children, now you observe that what are the materials or the objects attract with these magnets. Right? Likewise. Okay. Thank you for that observation also. Okay, children. Now you know from this list what are the paths or what are the objects get attracted, right? Okay, so children will write down things which got attracted toward the magnet. Things which got attracted. Akarshaniya vechcha deva, right? So what were the attracted ones, right? We can say 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin, right? And then thereafter, needle. The needle. The needle. So children, after that, the iron nail. Iron nail. The iron nail. Right? And then, yes, those were the things according to our list. Right? Next one, things which did not. Akarshaniya novunu. Did not. Right? That is 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin. Rupee coin.
Copper wire.
Right? Yes. And then brass nails.
Aluminium
Brass
sheet.
nails.
Glass.
Yes.
Piece of paper.
Piece of paper. Piece of paper.
Aluminium sheet.
Yes, very good. Aluminium sheet also. Right? Copper wire. Tamba kambiya. Yes. And plastic
A piece of wood.
did not attract. Yes, piece of wood also did not get attracted. අපි මේක ඒක පාවිච්චි කළේ නෑ මෙතනනේ. Piece of wood if we used, right, it would get attract, right? Piece of wood. Okay. Quickly write down these things.
Finish, teacher.
Okay.
Finish, teacher.
I'm done with my
Okay.
work, teacher.
Not finished, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, my rupee, 5 rupee coin attached to the magnet.
Yellow colored one.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Previous year also it happened, right? Children, I search what is the reason for that. Because of some materials and the ratios that they have mixed, right? And certain amount they may change. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඔය කහ පාට පහේ කාසිය, right? ඒක attract වෙන්නේ නැහැ, right? So, but previous year also, right? One of the students said me that their 5 rupee coin can be attracted, right, with a magnet. So then children, here also you told that මම ඒක කල්පනා කළා ඒක කවුරුත් කිව්වේ නැති කියලා, right? So because of some material compositions, maybe bit of change when they are actually when these coins are prepared, right? So because of these certain reasons and because of these metal mixtures, right, there may be some slight changes. පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩියෙන් if there's more iron composition, then it will get attracted, right? නේද? හැබැයි
Teacher.
our coin did not attracted with it. Yes, did.
Teacher, my
Some
2
coins
rupee
are
coin
brass
also
coins.
Sorry?
Some coins are brass.
Yes, some coins are brass. Yes. Here, 5 rupee coin also may having more content of brass. But it may mix, not only brass they are preparing. They are using mixture of some metals. Right? Brass also mixture of some metals. Right? නේද ඔය තඹ පිත්තල කියන්නේ zinc and copper mixture. Right? And because of some impurities, these can be get attracted. Right? Bahutarayag, the most of the 5 rupee coins did not get attracted. Okay? පොඩක් එහෙට මෙහෙට වෙලා තියෙන්න පුළුවන්.
Teacher, my 2 rupee coin didn't stick to the magnet.
Your 5 rupee coin didn't stick to the magnet or attract to the magnet.
No, 2 rupee coin.
Your one also attracted.
No, 2 rupee coin didn't attract to the magnet.
2 rupee coin didn't attracted. New one or old one?
Old one.
Old one, yes. There may be some, right, some slight changes. The same reason just like 5 rupee coin, right? Neither. Samahara velavata when the coins are prepared, right? Sometimes impurities can be mixed. Impurities කියන්නේ අපද්‍රව්‍ය මිශ්‍ර වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඔය කාසි නිර්මාණය කිරීමේදී, right? Okay. So since in this activity they have asked us to use these objects to check whether these objects get attracted towards magnet or not, we use those things, right? Okay.
Teacher.
Yes.
My one got attracted.
Your one also got attracted. Yellow colored one.
Yes.
Okay. Same reason. Impurities ඔය අපද්‍රව්‍ය වගේ දේවල් මිශ්‍ර වෙලා තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Okay. Right.
I have 5 rupee coin, brass one and silver color one.
Yes, yes.
But the brass one doesn't get attracted while the other one gets attracted to the magnet.
Yes, yes, yes. Right? Okay, so Yes, the same reason. Usually, the 5 rupee coin is consisted with brass, most probably. So, brass is a mixture of metals, right? නේද? පිත්තල කියන්නේ මිශ්‍ර ලෝහයක්. Brass is right? That is kind of a mixed metal, right? Okay, that is called as a metalloid, right? නේද? මේක මිශ්‍ර ලෝහයක්, brass කියන්නේ, right? So, then brass is
Teacher, I have 5 rupee coin. It attached to the magnet.
තඹ සහ සිංක් එක්ක අහුවෙලා තමයි හැදලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay? Right. Okay, children. So the conclusion. What is the conclusion? We can say that some materials get attracted to the magnets while some materials or the objects did not get attracted towards the magnet. ඔන්නොච්චරයි කියන්න තියෙන්නේ. Okay? Right. Okay? Right. So then children we can write down some objects got
Madam,
attracted.
the magnet for the attract also in the metal objects, no?
Not always with the metal objects, right? මේ බලන්න. This 5 rupee coin also prepared by metals. Metal, brass is a metal. පිත්තල කියන්නේ ලෝහයක්. Here children, copper is a metal. This is also metal, right? Keep it in your mind. Magnets get attract with steel, iron, like metals. වානේ යකඩ කියන ලෝහත් එක්ක තමයි මෙයා ගොඩක්ම කැමැත්තෙන්ම බැඳෙන්නේ. Right? They are interested in iron and steel. යකඩයි වානේ එක්ක තමයි මෙයා හොඳින්ම බැඳෙන්නේ. Right? Copper, brass, they don't like. They are not actually they are not interested in attract with these metals. These are also metals. මේවත් හදලා තියෙන්නේ ලෝහ වලින්මයි. Brass also metal, copper also metal. Why aluminium? Aluminium also metal. Okay? ඒ නිසා we can't say that here magnets attract with always metals, because some metals don't attract with magnets. සමහර ලෝහ තියෙනවා ඒවා attract වෙන්නේ නැහැ. දැක්කනේ, you saw that aluminium, right, and brass don't attract with magnets. Okay? Right.
Okay, madam, thank you.
Some objects, okay, welcome. Some objects got attracted towards the magnets, while yes, some objects, yes, did not get attracted towards the magnets, right? You can write down the conclusion also.
I'm done, teacher. I finished, teacher.
Okay.
Done, madam.
I have finished, madam.
Finish, madam.
Finish, madam.
Finish, madam.
Right. Okay.
Finish, teacher.
Right.
Wait, teacher.
Okay. I'll wait.
Daddy.
All right, ne? Tava ඕනේද වෙලාව no need ne?
No need.
Right, okay. So then I'll scroll it down.
Teacher, wait a second.
Okay.
Finish, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher. I'm finished.
Okay. Welcome. Okay, right. Here we'll fill this blanks. Then turn to the page number 3. Turn to the page number 3. Magnets have special ability to blank certain materials towards them. This is an effect of magnetism. Right? Magnetism means chumbakatvaya. Magnetism, chumbakatvaya. That means it can සිංහල නම් පැටලෙනවා ළමයි. චුම්බකත්වය. Okay, right. Here children, magnets have a special ability to attract. ඔය කියන්නේ දන්නවනේ ළමයි මට වඩා දන්නවා. Yes, good. Great. Attract. Now you know. Great. Magnets are often made of materials like iron, cobalt and nickel. Right? Magnets are often made of materials like
Teacher, which
iron,
page
cobalt
is
and
that?
nickel. Sorry?
Teacher, which page is that?
Here this is page number 3. Children, please highlight this one. Magnets are often made of materials like iron, cobalt and nickel. ඒ මොනවාදනේ? Magnets are often made of. හදලා තියෙන්නේ
Usually
materials like iron, cobalt and nickel. ඒ කියන්නේ යකඩ, cobalt සහ nickel කියන ද්‍රව්‍ය වලින් තමයිලු මේ කාන්දම් හදලා තියෙන්නේ. The magnets are often made materials like iron, cobalt and nickel. This is for your general knowledge. Okay? Keep highlighted and you can use it for your science competition, right? And then, knowledge evaluating, knowledge evaluation places, in competitions, you can use this knowledge. Okay? Right. Write the instances where you can find magnets. Handbags.
In the pencil box.
Pencil boxes.
in the refrigerator.
Yes, pencil boxes.
In drawers.
Some toys.
Yes, in drawers. Drawers කියන්නේ මොනවද? Drawers.
Mini motors.
Yes. Yes. Lachu. Drawers. You know, in our tables there are drawers. මේසේ ලාchu එහෙම තියෙන්නේ, right? And what else? Some toys. Sorry.
Mini motors.
Yes, mini motors, right? Motors, let's see. What else?
Electric vehicles.
Electric vehicles. Yes.
Chessboard.
Dynamo.
Dynamo.
Yes, dynamos also.
Girl park.
Good. Chessboard. ඔය තියෙන්නේ ඕනම තරමක් ලියා ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Right? Yes.
Finish, madam.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
Finish, madam.
I have done my.
Okay.
I have finished, madam.
Okay. Are there any
Finish,
still
madam.
writing ones? තාම ලියන අය ඉන්නවද?
Yes,
Finish, madam. Finish, madam.
Okay.
Finish, madam.
Finish, madam.
Finish.
Teacher still writing.
Finish, madam.
Finish, madam.
Okay.
Finish, madam.
Finish, madam.
Okay, right. So then I'll scrolling it down. Nah? I'll scroll down. Effects of magnet. Effects means how influence, right? Effects කියන්නේ ඔන්න අමු සිංහලෙන් කිව්වොත් බලපෑම්. Effects of magnets. Right? Okay. Some materials get attracted towards the magnet while some others do not. Now you know already, right? Materials attracted towards the magnet. You know now, right? You know iron nails. Iron nails. Right? Needles. Needle. Right? Yes. Some coins. Some coins. Some coins. Some coins කියලා දාපු reason you know. File clips. Safety pins. Right? Safety pins කියන්නේ අර ආච්චි අම්මගෙන් ඉල්ලුවාම ගලවලා දෙන්නේ අපිට. Right? You can request it from your granny. Right? නේද? I cut safety pin. Safety pin. Right? Okay? And pins. Drawing pins. And then children, materials did not attract toward the magnet.
Paper.
Brass. Brass means pittala.
Trigiform. Wood.
Digiform, plastic, wood.
Aluminum. Plastic.
Yes, plastic, copper,
Aluminum.
tamber, right? Aluminium,
Plastic.
right? Plastic, there are a lot. Plastic, wood,
Glass.
sorry, glass, yes. Glass also not attract.
Madam, finish, madam.
Okay.
I'm done, madam.
Okay, dear.
I've done my work, madam.
Okay, I know that some are still writing.
Done, madam.
My work, madam.
I'm done, madam.
Okay.
I have finished, madam.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
when the class is over?
Class is over 7:30 since we started at 6. Ne?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, dear.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay.
Me too, madam.
Okay, right. So I hope that most of you have finished. So shall I scroll it down? Manny? Right. Turn to the page number 4. Different types of magnets. Different types of magnets. The magnets differ from each other due to their shapes. Due to their shapes. හැඩය අනුව වෙනස් වෙනවලු. Also, they are used for different purposes. What are these words? Purposes. That means අරමුණු. අරමුණු. විවිධ දේ සඳහා. right? Different objectives, right? Purposes, right? We are using these different types of magnets, different shapes of magnet for different works, right? Okay. So children, here magnets are differ from each other due to their shapes, right? Children, here you can see, right? Have you seen this kind of structure is fixed with
Horseshoe magnet.
Horseshoe.
Horseshoe
Yes.
magnet.
Yes, children, these are fixed
Horseshoe
in
magnet.
legs of
Horseshoe
horse.
magnet.
Yes, children, these are called as horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe, Ashwaladam Chumbakaya. Horseshoe magnet. Why? That structure also like this, children. Okay, like
Horseshoe.
this. Yes. Why these are fixed with horse? Because for the speed of running. Mang nang dana විදියට speed of running තමයි, right? Okay, and to avoid some damages likewise. Okay, right. Damages to foods, right? Okay, here children, this is horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe. Yes.
I think they were hurting when they wear it. The horseshoe.
Yes, it is connected with, or it is fixed with foot of horse, right? මට ඒක රිදෙනවද නැද්ද කියලා මම පොඩ්ඩක් හොයලා බලලා කියන්න. Right? I'll search it and tell you. Right? මම හිතන්නේ රිදෙන්නේ නැතුව ඇති. I think it will not painful for them because it is connected with the foot නේ. අපේ කකුලට උනත් එච්චර සමහර දේවල් දැනෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද because of we have thick skin in our foot. But I'll search and tell you. Right.
ඒක රත් කරලා හයි කරන්න.
ඒක තමයි. First of all, we'll heat it and fix it, ne? Right. Okay. Right. Children, this one, what is this one?
Bar magnet.
Bar magnet. Yes, this is bar magnet. Danda chumbakaya. Bar magnet. Bar magnet. Right? Danda chumbaka. Right? Bar magnet. And children, here
Shape magnet.
Two magnet.
U-shape magnet.
U-shape magnet.
U-shape magnet.
U-shape magnet.
U-shape magnet.
yes.
Ring magnet.
Right. Okay.
Ring
Ring
magnet.
magnet.
Ring magnet.
Right. Okay, I'll show you a ring magnet.
Ring magnet.
Where this?
Ring magnet. They say that's a
right,
ring
right.
magnet.
Here the meeting. Ring magnet, me? Ring magnet. Ring
Yeah.
magnet.
Yeah.
Okay. Ring magnet.
Yeah.
What are these tablets like?
Fabula magnet. Fabula magnet.
Just like tablets. Behet peti wage, right? These are called as tabular magnet.
Fabula magnet.
Tabular magnet.
Tabular magnet.
What?
Yes.
U-shape magnet, ring magnet.
Right. Quickly write down these things.
This madam.
Finish my work, madam. Finish my work, madam.
Finish my work.
Teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Finish my work, teacher. Finish my work, madam.
About this horseshoe, children may It has been fixed. So children, it is fixed with hoop wall of the horse leg, right? So children, it is said that if you are fixing it correctly, it is not painful for horse because children know nerve endings or blood vessels are there, right? Hoof wall leke කුරේට තමයිලු මේක හයි කරන්නේ. එතකොට ඒකට blood vessels or nerves නැහැලු, right? So due to that, children, it is said that if you fix it correctly, then it will not give a pain for this innocent animal. අශ්වයාට වේදනාවක් නැහැ කියලා කියනවා. ඒක හරියට හයි කරනවා. Okay, there's no pain if we correctly fix it. Okay, right. So that's about not horseshoe magnet. නේද? horseshoe magnet අස්සයට ගහනවා කියලා එහෙම හිතා ගන්න එපා. Right? Don't think that horseshoe magnets are fixed with මේ horse hoof wall, right? Okay, so children, this is horseshoe magnet. What is the reason? Right? This kind of oddly shaped structure is fixed with the hoof wall. Okay? Yes.
Teacher,
Yes,
what is
dear.
the reason magnets are different shapes?
Yes, magnets are different shapes, right? So the purpose is to get the work. We need that relevant functions, get done functions. Sometimes we need the spreaded magnetic field, some of the places, right? So when it comes to ring magnet, the way that magnetic field lines are spreading is different, right?
Madam, it's easy to take
Yes, we
Yeah,
are fixing
it's
these
easy to
things
take.
for different equipments. So due to that, these magnetic field lines, according to the way that we required, we find out what is the magnet should be fixed, right? Okay. Right. Right, children. We shall move with our, children, we are moving with our experiment, right? Turn to the, move with our experiment section or experiment book. Turn to the page number 11. Right? Page number 11. 11 එකට පෙළ ගන්න බලන්න. Turn to the page number 11.
Teacher,
Yes.
this is
Can
magnetic
you show
pole.
the last experiment conclusion?
Sorry?
Can you show the last experiment conclusion?
You couldn't write it? Okay,
Yes,
right. Hari, මම පෙන්නන්න.
Teacher,
Yes.
this is magnetic poles.
Sorry?
This is magnetic poles.
So are you showing that? No, right? පෙන්නන ගමන් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. මට පේන්නේ. Minuda, you are showing ring magnet, right? So then you are asking where these poles are located, right? In ring magnet. නේද? ඒක නේද අහන්නේ? Right. So after discussing the poles of bar magnets, I'll let you know where these poles of ring magnets are located. Right? ඒක ඔයාලට ඉගෙන ගන්න කියලා නෑ grade 6 වලදී. At least grade 8 වලවත් නෑ. No, in grade 8. Right? Yeah. So then have you finished writing this one?
The experiment months ago, I used a magnet and copper attached to the magnet. Copper.
Copper attracts toward the magnet?
Yeah, a little bit. The copper
Little
has
bit?
a little bit magnetic form.
It shouldn't be happen according to our observation. ඒක වෙන්න බෑ අපේ observations වල හැටියට නම්. Right? It shouldn't be happen. It may mix with other metal, right? Okay, සමහර විට වෙන මොන හරි mix වෙලා තිබුණත් දන්නේ නැහැ, impurities also, but usually copper does not attract with magnets. Okay?
Maybe I'll use a very powerful magnet. That's why. Maybe.
Right, okay. So children, experiment number 2. Identify the poles of magnet. This is page number, I told you, 11. Right? You need a handful of file clips. Right? Children, I don't have much of full of file clips, but I have certain amount of file clips. Right? And then children, we need a bar magnet. You need a piece of cardboard. Children, what we are going to do, right? We are going to spread the file clips evenly. Evenly means ඒකාකාරීව එක පැත්තකට වැඩි අනිත් පැත්තට අඩුවෙන් නෙවෙයි. Evenly, right? Spread all these file clips, right? According to a right even manner, uniform manner, right? Evenly means uniform. Uniform කියන්නේ අර ඔයාලා අඳින එක නෙවෙයි. ඒකාකාරී විදිහට පතුරවන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. ඒකාකාරී. Right? And then the piece on the piece of cardboard, right? Slowly lower the bar magnet down into the center of the file clips. Slowly lower this bar magnet and carefully lift the magnet up. Observe where the file clips have stuck to the magnet. We are going to check whether on where these magnets, these file clips get attracted. Okay, children? Children, here, these are the file clips. We are going to do that. File clips, right? And then this is our bar magnet. Right? Okay, children. Here now, I have arranged my cardboard, and then on that cardboard, I have evenly spreaded my file clips, right? Evenly කියන්නේ හැම තැනටම පොදුවේ සාධාරණව, right? According to that, I have spreaded these file clips, right? I have spreaded these file clips, right? Okay. So now, first of all, I'll show you using another camera. Okay. Wait. Okay, children. Okay. So now, children, you can see I have evenly spreaded these file clips on my cardboard, right? Okay, on my cardboard. All right. Okay. So now, children, okay. Now, children, I am going to lower my bar magnet on these file clips, right? Now, I am going to lower my bar magnet on over this file clip. Children, what happened?
The file clips got attached to the magnet.
Yes, dear children.
The file
Yes.
clips attract to the magnet.
Wait. We are going to do it again. අපි තව පාරක් එකතු
File
කරමු.
clips attracted to the size of the magnet.
Yes.
The file
right? I'll just, yes, uniformly or evenly spread out, right?
attracted to the magnet.
Okay, right. So now once again, I'm going to get that relevant observation, right? I'm lowering this bar magnet. Children, what happened? You can see that,
Attracted.
yes,
To the end of the magnet.
yes.
The pins attracted to the sides of the magnet.
Children, you can
The
these
clips
two
attracted
ends.
to the poles of the magnet.
Yes, children, these two ends, these file clips attracted in two ends, right? File clips attracted more for these two ends of this magnet, right? So children, you can see here, they have mentioned this as N and this as S, right? So children, these two ends have high magnetic power rather than the middle area, right? Okay, rather than the middle area, you can see the two ends of this magnet, the file clips attracted more, right? So what is the reason? The magnetic power is higher between these two ends, right? So children, these are called as poles of a magnet, right? Neither magnetic power, higher magnetic power having areas on the magnet are called as poles of magnet. නේද කාන්දමක වැඩිම කාන්දම් බලය ඇති අග්‍ර දෙකට කියන්නේ poles. ද්‍රව poles. There are two poles of a magnet. These are the areas where high magnetic power is available, right? Okay. So magnetic power is higher in these two ends. Okay, right. The power of attraction also more, right? Okay. Yes. Wait. Right. Right. Okay. So children, what we can say? Observation. Observation. Right? File clips attracted more towards the end of, towards the ends of these bar magnets. Two ends of this bar magnet. Right? Two ends of this bar magnet. File clips attracted more towards the two ends of this bar magnet. නේද? දෙපැත්තට තමයි ගොඩක්
The poles also.
Yes.
Got attracted to the magnet.
Rather than the middle area. Rather than the middle area. Right? Rather than this middle area, these two ends, this file clips attracted more. නේද ෆයිල් කටු ගොඩක්ම attract නේ මේ දෙපැත්තට. හැබැයි අපිට කියන්න බෑ මැදට attract වුනේ නැහැ කියලා. We observed that few attracted for the middle area also. Right? Okay. Quickly write down this observation and conclusion. Right? In magnets, there are two ends which have more magnetic power. those two ends of these magnets are called as poles of magnet, right? So in magnet,
Teacher, where are the poles of the
right?
magnet?
Okay, I'll tell you. Wait. Right? First of all, we'll finish the discussion related to bar magnet. Okay?
Finish my
So
work,
children,
madam.
okay. The magnetic power is higher at the two ends of the magnets, which are called as poles of the magnet, right? So then children, these poles are called as North Pole and South Pole, right? Okay, so we can write down.
I'm done, madam.
Okay. There are two ends in a magnet which have high attraction power. Those are called as poles of
Which have high
a magnet. Poles of a magnet. Right? Okay. Then in a ring magnet,
Finish, madam.
right? Yes. In a ring magnet, how these poles are located? Ring magnet එකේ කොහොමද ඕක තියෙන්නේ? Right? So ring magnet here, ring magnet is not like a bar magnet, right? Here one side is North Pole, other side is South, right? And some ring magnets they have mentioned, right? The upper surface is North, the lower surface is
south.
here upper surface is yes North, lower surface is South. Make a South, right? Likewise. So if I show you my ring magnet, Mebala, this surface is red in color, that means North Pole, right? This side is blue in color, which is South Pole, right? Okay. ඒක ring magnets වල විතරයි, yeah? Right? Okay. So here in this U magnets like this. North, South. North, South.
Teacher, tabular magnets.
Right?
Tabular magnets.
Okay, wait.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, dear.
How in tabular magnets?
You are asking tabular magnets, North and South poles?
Yes,
Okay, right. So I'll draw it and show you. Yeah, so I think tabular magnet, ne? Have you finished writing? So tabular magnet also like this ring magnet, dear children. Tabular magnets also,
Finish,
the
madam.
magnetic, yes, north pole and south poles located like this or like this, right? Just like ring magnets,
Finish,
right?
madam.
Okay.
Finish, madam. Finish my work, madam.
Okay. Hari ne? Ha, right.
Excuse me,
So,
madam.
yes.
In the horseshoe magnet, some have only red and in the under there is silver, and some are having half blue and half red.
Ah, yes, yes. Some have mentioned only red, ne? Some have been painted in red, right? Some have been not painted, right? So then children, here maybe we can identify these magnets, right? Then the poles, because although it has been colored using this same color, they have mentioned that poles, right? Sometimes we can identify these poles using other magnets also, right? Then අපිට සමහර වෙලාවට එකම color දැන් පාට දෙකකින් හැම එකක්ම ඉන්නේ නැහැ, right? මේ බලන්න. This magnet they have not mentioned any color, right? Using other magnet we can identify what is the north pole and south pole. Okay. නේද? හැම එකකම එහෙම එන්න ඕනි කියලා නීතියක් නැහැ, right? Okay.
Teacher, I also have like that magnet.
Okay. Okay. Right. So children, now you know what are called as magnetic poles. Turn to the page number 5. Turn to the page number 5. Right. So now you know children, two ends, right? Two ends which have high power of attraction in a magnet is called as poles of magnet, right? The two ends which have high power of attraction on magnet is called as poles of magnet, right? Okay. Neda.
Excuse me, teacher.
චුම්බකයක් මත නේද? චුම්බක බලය වැඩි තැන් වැඩි අග්‍ර දෙක අපි කියන්නේ poles කියලා. Right? ද්‍රව. Poles means ද්‍රව. That means two ends which have higher magnetic power or higher attractive okay, right. Two ends which have higher or high power of attraction, right? So those are called as poles of magnet, right? Okay, poles of magnets, right? Okay, so magnetic poles are, right? So then we can write down the two ends which have high
Finish my work, madam.
power of attraction on magnet are called as
Poles
poles of
magnet.
right? Okay, so magnetic poles are කියලානේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ. The two ends which have high power of attraction, right? On magnet කියලා ලිව්වහම ඇති. Okay.
Finish my work, madam.
Okay.
I'm done, madam.
Right. අපි මේකත් ලියමුනේ. There are two poles of magnets. Those are
North and south.
North
Pole
pole and South pole. North pole and South pole, right? Okay. Right. Okay.
Finish,
So
madam.
children, here I think it's enough for today, right? I think it's enough for today. We discussed lot of things about these magnets, right? And children, I hope that you are preparing your writing books. I ask you to write down or copy this same note in the tute into your writing book, right? And then nicely keep prepared that one, right? At the end of this year, we are going to select, right, most beautiful book, right? I can see someone's book, right? Tivenya Patirana. Okay, very good, dear, right? Okay, I can see that you are proceeding with it, right? Okay, right. So someone also, who's that? Okay, right. Okay. Right. Okay. So children, nicely keep prepared it, huh? Right? Lesson පොත හදාගෙන යන්න, right? And then may not like a pandal, right? නේද? ලুকু තොරණක් වගේ එහෙම නෙමෙයි මම කියන්නේ, right? You have to, okay. Who showed that? Vinuti. We'll see. Right. Nice. Nice. Right? Okay. Right. Very good. So children, you can prepare your book very nicely. You can paste images, right? We'll see. Very nice. On this one. Very good. Very nice. Right? Okay.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, dear.
Should we write the experiments too?
Yes, yes. Experiments also. No need to write the question book. No need to write question book. You have to write experiments and the theory parts that we discussed. Okay, but after after finish this lesson, right? That means each week you have to write that note. Just prepare for this one and write. Okay, right. And then keep prepared your jargon books. I have told that how you can reply it. කොහොමද වචන මතක තියාගන්නේ පාඩම් කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා දුන්නා මම, right? The words that I mentioned in Sinhala, I ask you to prepare it using a notebook likewise. Okay, right. So children, okay, children, I am going to wind up here for a while. Right. Yeah, so children, it's enough for today, neda, because your brain also very small, right? Neda ඕනාට වඩා compress කරන්න මම කැමති නෑ, right? Okay, you are very little ones, and then screen time also bit of higher නේ, නේද? Screen එක ඉස්සරහ ගොඩක් වෙලා ඉන්න එකත් එච්චරම හොඳ නැහැනේ, right? නේද? So then children, I think it's enough for you today, right? Okay, so prepare your books attractive manner, right? And then keep prepared your jargon books, keep studying your words, and then children, keep written answers for our papers that I upload into the group, and then keep printed those and keep written answers. On Wednesday we are going to discuss that, and then children, I am going to clarify your one of the doubt related to our water filled glasses, right? I'll just search and find. Okay, right. So children, until we meet again, I'm going to wind up here for a while. Children, thank you for logging. Have a nice week. Stay safe. Goodbye. Saranai, and God bless you to all of you. Bye.
Good night, teacher. Good night, teacher.
You are welcome, dear. Stay safe.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, you are welcome.